Madonna. Wonder what's for dinner. You know what I want? I want barbecue. No, I think a lasagna. No, man, I want barbecue. I want brisket, lasagna. I want sausage, I want some mac and cheese. I tell you I want a lasagna. Barbecue. We're gonna have a lasagna. Guys. No, man, I said barbecue. Right in front of I said a lasagna. I said barbecue, and that's barbecue lasagna. Dang, that's a really good idea. Madonna, that sounds really good. I'm about to All right, let's get started on this barbecue lasagna. We're gonna first caramelize onions. Cut. I'm gonna be cooking these in beef tallow because of course I am. You can use butter, most people would. I prefer beef tallow. I'm just gonna be cutting these into batons. Now if you men ever wanted an excuse to cry, don't.
Because I know somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.
All right, you just don't. While these are caramelizing, in the meantime, I have my water coming up to temp, boiling, so that I can put my noodle in there. The lasagna noodles, not my noodle, you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna be making my bechamel sauce. If you wanna know how that's done, step by step, you can check out this video right here. But as you can see in my B-roll, all the ingredients are there. All the ingredients are gonna be in the description down below. We're gonna take these. Now you don't wanna blast these things because you're not trying to fry them. We wanna caramelize them. So it's a slow process. Very slow process to get these nice and caramelized. When you caramelize these, they're going to turn sweeter and less acidic than they are right now. All right, these onions, just about done. I'm gonna be taking them out. Then the next step will be frying up the Italian sausage in here. Getting that nice and cooked. Then I'm gonna be adding this back into the Italian sausage. So now I'm gonna be taking these out. I have 2 pounds of Italian sausage here. As this is frying up, I'm gonna be dropping the noodles in the boiling water behind me. Those take 9 to 10 minutes, and then finish this up. We'll move on to the next step. I'm gonna shut this off for now. I'm gonna move this over to the side, then we're gonna be chopping up that brisket. All right. Look at that. That's not that bad. Oh. I'm about to bust. The crazy thing is, this thing is cold. Noodles are done. I'm gonna go strain them off. Now that I have the flat all cut up, I'm gonna start to dice it up. Move this over. It's time to bring this all together. First, I'm gonna spray this dish down. To this bechamel, we're gonna be adding a little bit of that pasta water. That'll help keep it thin because this pasta is gonna absorb a lot of the water. Plus, it'll help it keep silky and smooth. Pasta water, add just a little bit, not quite the full cup that I reserved. So I'm gonna take this, add a little bit of the bechamel to the bottom as the base layer. All right, now we're gonna start to layer. Take the pasta, lay it in there, get yourself a nice base. Take some more bechamel, a little bit, some cheddar, pizza blend, brisket. A little bit more bechamel. Pour that over. Now we're gonna go on to the second layer. And again, this, put that on there. Add some cheeses. Pizza blend. All right, take the sausage, lay it in there. Now if you have extra, like I am clearly gonna have, make two. Now bechamel. All right. The sweetness and the acidity from this barbecue sauce is gonna help cut the richness of this because this thing is gonna be extremely rich. All right, back to layering. Now I know what you're thinking. Barbecue sauce, gross. You're gonna need something to help cut out a lot of this richness. Trust me. Some cheese. Okay, cover that in cheese. Brisket. Another layer of barbecue sauce. Now, if you want to learn how to do barbecue sauce right, check out this video right here. I need more bechamel. All right, one more layer of noodles. A little bit of bechamel. One more layer since I missed that first one. Cheddar. All kinds of cheese. The final thing is to cover this with foil. We're gonna put it into the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes covered and about 10 to 15 minutes uncovered at 375. Cover with foil. Done. All right, so I had some extra noodles and I figured, why not make some lasagna rolls? Take cheese, spread it all over these noodles. More cheesy, get all the cheesy. A little bit of the brisket. Okay, here we go. All right, now let's roll these up. Okay, here we go. Then here's our last one. After I roll this all up, I'm gonna then cover it in bechamel foil and throw it in the oven with the lasagna. Roll, 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 roll. Cover in bechamel. Now cover and bake along with the lasagna. All right, so the lasagna is done and my rolls are done. I'm gonna cut out a piece of this, get one of these rolls, put it on a plate, and then my son's gonna eat it. Okay. Oh, there's brisket covered in all kinds of fantasticness. All right, now a roll. This is gonna be a little bit easier because these are individual. One last thing. I think that translates to English for it is good, but I'm not sure. Is it? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Speak, boy, speak.
It is good.
It's good. Here's the roll.
Approved.
All right, so if you've enjoyed this video, please leave me a like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Please make this at home. If you have some leftover brisket or brisket that didn't turn out too well, or pulled pork, or whatever it is, try this. It's a very good way to make an extremely filling, awesome meal. Please check out my merch store right there. Please make sure to check out the videos so that you can learn how to make the brisket, the bechamel sauce, and my barbecue sauce to complete this recipe. Everything's always in the description down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks.